Okay, so part 3, we're going to actually attack the rear seat today. So she's looking wonderful in all her glory out of the ute. So she's out, she's all ready to go. Got some lovely stains. So on the previous videos you would have seen, we attacked the front 2 seats. This time we're going to attack the rear, we're going to get it all cleaned up. Right, so that's round 1 done. So used a lot more water than what I would normally, only because I want to draw as much back up to the surface as I possibly can. But there's still dirt in here, still a stain here. And then we'll hit it with the shampoo. We'll let this go for a while, let it dry out, let it bring that dirt up to the surface, and then we'll hit it again. So we've got dirt here, right through here. This side, not too much. Down in here, we've got some dirt coming up to the surface, which is what we want. So this is what's been sitting in those seats for God knows how many years. That's gross.